How's it going, guys? Frank here with another DIY. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can change your cam follower on these Mark 5's GTIs with the 2-liter FSI engines, so stay tuned. So as you can see right now, I have already took off my top cover. So in order to disconnect the pump, you can see you have this switch right here and another switch here on the top, and you have these 1, 2, 3 bolts, and also you have this feed and this other line to disassemble. On some cars you can have a banjo bolt here, but this one just uses a high pressure rubber line, and this one. So first thing you have to do is to remove all the pressure that you have on your system. So there is this valve right here that you can pinch here in order to remove the pressure. So the next step, I will just go ahead and remove the switches and go ahead and remove the bolts. First we need to undo this with a 7 millimeter wrench. You will just have to put your wrench right here, and as you saw, easy like that, the bolt is now loose. You can see, just and voila, as you can see, it's out. You will be able to move your pump. This one actually you don't need to undo the rubber line, because you will just have to move a little bit the high pressure fuel pump in order to insert your cam follower. So as you can see, I have already disconnected the switch. So please work here carefully, because you can break this switch right here, and if you do that, I will have some bad news for you. So please work with careful. And also, as you can see, we have here inserted a T30, so we will just have to undo those screws. As you can see, we have one down. This one will be a little tricky to take it out. You'll have to remove this valve right here to be able to insert the socket, as you can see. But for this one, I believe that will be easier, as you can see. Voila. So it's a 13 millimeter socket. So as you can see, I've just inserted right there, and slowly we'll be able to take out the fitting. So you will have a little more of fuel coming out. Okay, so the valve is out, so we will be able to reach this bottom bolt right here on the bottom. As you can see, just have to okay guys, so I have just pushed it a little bit. You just have to move it to the side, and for your high fuel pressure pump, it's out. You have that rubber ring there that seals from oil coming out. You will just have to clean a bit here inside, and if I insert my finger, I will be just able to take out the cam follower. So as you can see, this is our cam follower. So let me just put them side by side with the new one in order to show you guys how a new and a used one look like. We have right here the brand of cam follower that I bought. Actually it's a good brand. My timing chain and all the stuff was replaced with the items from this brand. So people talk like good about this brand. And if you need a part number, I believe that is this one for Iana, or this one maybe. So let me just unbox it and take it out. So as you can see, it's here under this plastic, and I will be able to slide it out. So as you can see, this is a side comparison between the old one and the new one. I believe you can see that we have a little bit of scoring right here on this area, because actually this cam moves. That's why you have to change it. I mean, it seems like 30,000 kilometers. You have intervals, you have to change it. Another reference to check if your cam follower is old or new, you can quite see them here on the top, how they look. You can see that this one has this black coating. I think that is the indicator, wearing indicator, to show you how long your cam follower will still good to go. And this one, since this cam follower works with the high fuel pressure pump, it moves with the cam, it wears up on this side, as you can see. So you have to change during those intervals. So now let's go ahead and insert it on the car. And mom is here watching us changing the cam. That thing right there is your cam. So that is the part where your cam follower heats up while your engine is running. So it's good to have a clean and working cam follower. So now let me just coat a little bit the cam with oil, motor oil, then insert it into the housing. As you can see right here, it's coated with oil, so you just have to insert it. As you can see, just with your finger you will be able to insert it. So then we just have to clean up the excess that we have right here and put everything back in back order. So that's it, job done. As you can see, we just plug it in everything back and we make sure that everything is tight. So that's it, you have your job done. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you saw, it's a very easy job to do and is a very important thing to do, because those cars doesn't like bad cam followers. So it's an easy job, you can do it at home with your own tools. So if you like that video, please do not forget to subscribe, like it and share it with your friends. I hope catch you next time. Peace.